Hi viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll try to write a Python program to find a maximum of two numbers. And here we are considering two solutions, one with manual standard comparison and second with inbuilt function. So on the solution one, we are writing a code to check whether A is greater than B or B is greater than A. Here the function here is if A is greater than or equal to B, return A, else return B. So here we are taking inputs from the user on num1 and num2, and we are calling the maximum function with these two variables num1 and num2. If num1 is greater than num2, it will return num1, else it returns num2. So here num1 is 12 and num2 is 13. So 13 is greater than 12 and it returns 13 here. So we'll try to execute the code. Here I am adding 450 as a num1 and 234 as num2. So it returns 450. So it returns 450. So coming to the built-in function, we have a function called max. So here, this is an single line statement where we are taking inputs from the user on num1, num2, and max of num1, num2 will give the maximum value. Here, user entered 11 as num1 and 1 as num2, and the function returned 11 as a maximum number. Uh, this is for this video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.